video is going to be on the free sewing machine rotary machines and their needles. So what we've got is we've got a original free rotary sewing machine needle. Now this one is one of the originals. It actually says free on it. And it's got a number here on it, so you can tell the length is different on the free. Now these are usually used in the free Westinghouse sewing machines. Some of the new homes use the same needle, which was also part of the free Westinghouse design. So this is your standard sewing needle here, and this is going to be your free Westinghouse style needle. So all they really did is shorten this back down right here where the back part of it is. They shortened it here. The needle tip has been shortened just a small bit right here, but other than that, the eye is in the same position. And what is actually interesting is the free company actually put scarves on the back of their needles where Sanger didn't. So all your rotary needles had scarves, and all of your class 15s, 66, 99s, anything with a fixed hook didn't have a scarf. But anything that was a rotary machine that had a rotary that could be adjusted on the shaft had a scarf made onto the back of the needle. So this is the front side of the needle. You can tell it's pretty much the same. The end's just a little bit different. You can take and shorten a standard needle. You can shorten it up here just a little bit, and the eye will line up so you can use it in a free machine and it will run in time. The point will be a little bit different. It'll be a little bit longer, but it'll be a little bit better at penetrating, where this one's more blunt. You'll get a little bit better penetration because it's got this more sharp point to it, where this is more blunt. So if you've got one of these and you're wanting to make your own needles, you can make your own needles from just the standard run-of-the-mill needle that's generally used, the 15x1 needle that you can find at Walmart or anywhere. But this is what one looks like up close compared to just the regular Schmetz needle. We're going to flip them over and I'll show you the back half on these. Now the new modern needles is basically a rotary needle because they've got the cutout in the back of the needle. So if you're running a vintage Sanger sewing machine that's got a fixed needle position and a fixed hook, then you're not gonna, the original needle's not gonna have the scarf in it. So we can roll these over and compare the back of them. So you can see they've got their own little scarf cut in the back. Now, if you're using a cut down 15x1, you're going to have a much larger cutout back here in the scarf part of the needle. so you can get a wider range of adjustment on the needle, but they're pretty much the same, you can tell. So if you really need to make your own needles for a free Westinghouse, you can, by using just a regular needle that you find. The only difference is back here, and the point's a little bit more pointed, but you'll be able to see the scarf cut in the back. You can see how far back it's cut right here, but it's pretty much the same needle. Now the end's a little bit rounded on modern needles up here, where on the free you've got more of just a square, blunt end. It's just cut square off. But you can see it says free, and you've got a looks like a RD, and then you got a 8-1 on it. But this is what one looks like up close. You can see the scarf cut out in it. But it's essentially just a 15x1 that's been cut down with a little bit shorter, more blunt point. Now this is a modern 15x1 rotary needle with a scarf cut in the back. You can see they're pretty much the same. The tip's just a little bit more pointed. You get a little bit more penetration. The eye's a little bit larger, but this is pretty much the difference in them. So if you've got a free Westinghouse and you're trying to wonder on the needle and how to use one and bring it back to life, this is going to be this will show you the difference in them. But they're pretty close to the same needle. There's just a little bit more back here on the back, a little bit on the end, but the position of the eye, between the eye, is the same. Some needles, the eyes will be at a different location on them, so if you're trying to run a special needle or something to replace it, the eye will be further down or further up. So the 15x1 standard needle, the eye is in the right position, so you could essentially make it work, and it would run in time without doing any modifications to the machine itself.